Through the years, the Philippines has experienced its fair share of flood, earthquakes, fires, and other disasters. But how do we define a disaster? According to Republic Act 10121, a disaster is a serious disruption of the functioning of a community or a society involving widespread human, material, economic, or environmental losses and impacts, which exceeds the ability of the affected community or society to cope using its own resources. You can find the Philippines along the Pacific Ring of Fire and the Pacific Typhoon Belt. Large numbers of earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and typhoons occur along this region. Risk is a probability of an event and its negative consequences. Considering the country's location, the chances of a disaster happening is high. Different kinds of disasters strike the country each year. So, how do we classify them? Natural hazards can be typhoons, like 2013's Yolanda, floods, and storm surges. Bohol's 2013 earthquake is also categorized as a natural hazard, as well as tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, landslides, and drought. Not all hazards are caused by nature. There are also human induced hazards like fire, maritime, aircraft, land or industrial accidents, pollution, civil disturbance, terrorism, and armed conflict. Examples of these are the 2008 Wawawi Stampede, the Carina Grandstand hostage taking in 2010, and the 2013 Zamboanga crisis. Dead, injured and missing people, displaced communities, livelihood resources lost, damages to the environment and infrastructure, economic losses, and hampered delivery services. These are just some examples of the effects of these disasters. With the Philippines being the third in the World Risk Index, it's important that volunteers be always ready to help their fellow Filipinos out.